This wood chipper helps you turn grass clippings, leaves, and wood branches into ground cover for gardens or trees. Make quick work of yard waste with optional 7, 9, 13, and 15 horsepower gasoline engine. The maximum chipping size up to 120 mm in diameter with the dedicated chipper chute. Work quickly with the commercial quality cutting mechanism that use 2 hard chipping knives. Our design allows fast access to the cutting chamber to inspect the blade and other components.